decorate my tree using Walmart and Dollar Tree ornaments. So it's gonna look really great. I have a theme going on. It's gonna be white, silver, and blue this year. So I hope that you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna start from scratch, so you're gonna see me record everything. I cannot wait to show you how much I saved and how beautiful this tree is gonna look. So stay tuned and happy holidays. Happy Vlogmas, everybody! I am so excited that I cannot wait for Christmas to start. Christmas is my absolute favorite holiday, and it's pretty much the only holiday that I celebrate along with New Year's. I think that, like, you know, Halloween and Thanksgiving are kind of like the tailgate or the pre-party that you go to before the actual thing. So for me, this is like my season, and if I could set up my tree any earlier, I totally would. Like, I'd have my thing up by like October if I could. But here I am opening the tree that I got. I'm just reusing the one that I got from last year. I really wanted to get the white ones that have the snow on top, and it looks so gorgeous, but there was really no need for me to buy another tree, so I'm just gonna use this one that I got, and I really love the end result that I got in the end. So it's really all about how you decorate your tree, what ornaments you use, and you really don't have to spend a whole lot of money or go broke trying to make your tree look very extravagant and luxurious. I'm gonna use 2 of the blue lights. I actually didn't even use the white light because my tree is already pre-lit white, so I wanted to balance everything out, especially since most of my ornaments are white. And wait until the very end of the video where I'll show you each item that I used to decorate and where I got it. I realized that when I was filming, I totally forgot to show you guys each thing, so I'm gonna show you at the end. And for now, I'm just gonna go in with some blue ornaments that I got last year. You definitely want to wait until the very end of the holiday season to buy anything on Christmas that's on clearance, because you can get these things super cheap. I got like one of these like plastic containers of ornaments for $1, and these usually are like 17 bucks, maybe like 10-15 bucks at most, I don't know, but I got those like buckets that I showed you like in the picture for $1, and some other ornaments that I got for 99 cents. I even got wrapping paper for 10 cents. Like, if you wait until January when everything's on absolute clearance, that's the best tip that I can give you, because you're gonna save so much money, and you don't even have to buy anything next year. This year, because I didn't really have any decorative ornaments, not like the balls, but like the other things that you hang, I just ended up using having to go to Walmart. My mom actually stopped by over the weekend along with my sis and my grandpa, who came from DR to visit, and they happened to come at the right time because my mom loves Christmas just as much as I do, and she loves decorating, so she wanted to help me out. And you can kind of see my sister in the corner. You probably saw her earlier in the video. But here I am, just kind of like stepping back after I put down every piece. It's really important because they have pieces of all different sizes and shapes and colors, so I just want to make sure that everything's balanced out. Throughout the video, I'm just kind of rearranging things and making sure that all the empty spaces are covered, making sure that the big pieces are balanced out by the little pieces, and there's not too many jingle balls in one area. But it looks pretty good. This is just me talking to my mom, like being a psychopath, and making sure that everything looks perfect and everything should be where it's at. But I think it's perfect, so I can't wait to show you. It turned out way better than I could possibly imagine. Don't leave, because if you stick around, I'm going to show you where I got the ornaments and how you can get them too. I really love the look that I curated. It's just perfect. It's really what I wanted in my head, and I made it come to life. And the tree topper is just like the perfect thing, because that silver star balances everything out, and the rotating lights on the ceiling just make everything look super glam and lavish and beautiful. So let me tell you where I got everything. I got that little reindeer over at Dollar Tree. It comes in a pack of 2, so it was a steal. I got the big giant silver flower on the left hand side over at Walmart, and I got the silver jingle bells over at Dollar Tree. I got, let's see, the treat topper I got on clearance last year. I can't remember the price, but I did get it for a super great discount. That's the star that I got at Walmart. The blue jingle balls I got on clearance last year at Walmart. I got the angel wings this year along with these little silver flowers over at Dollar Tree. The silver balls are also from Dollar Tree too. I didn't have any in my clearance section, so I had to go out and buy some just to make sure everything was right. This also comes from Dollar Tree, and it lights up, which is super cool. So it looks like the tree is kind of frozen and the icicles are just hanging off. Like, how freaking cute is that? Oh, that is so gorgeous. Walmart has everything. That I got at the Christmas tree shop. It comes in white and blue, and the little owl is from Walmart too. I got 2 of them, so they're never lonely and they're like little friends. That snowflake comes from Dollar Tree, and these little things come from Walmart. I need to buy some more because they look so cute and great, and that's also from Dollar Tree. The wings are so cute because they add a little bit of plush, and they're from Walmart. That flower is from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree, yes, Dollar Tree. I keep forgetting. And the little doves come from Dollar Tree too. They come in a pack of like 5 or 10, so it's so worth it. And the little dove is so cute. I thought of my mom when I got it. That came from Walmart. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, y'all. Go ahead and subscribe for more content. Merry Christmas and happy holidays to everybody. I love you so much. Subscribe to Lisanna Does Things so you don't miss a beat.